Okay guys, hello, welcome back again. Here is Waziko Graphics. I'm Isa Haruna and today I'm going to take you through the process on how to install a Photopea on your desktop like this one on my desktop. So today I'm going to take you through the procedures on how to install this to get this on your desktop computer or on your laptop. So first of all, the only thing you need to do is I'm using Chrome browser, so you can use any browser of your choice. So but as for today, I'm going to use Chrome browser, which is this one I'm going to. So first of all, you need to do is, before you can install a Photopea on your desktop, you need to have a browser. You can use this browser to install the Photopea on your desktop. So first of all, we are going to we are going to visit the the site of the official site of Photopea. So now we are going to type in www.photopea.com. So now this is it. So after we have tapped in this, no need, after we have the www.photopea.com, we just hit enter, then it went straight, then the browser will take us to the site of the Photopea. So now whilst the browser is loading, we are waiting for the browser to load and give us the interface or the official page of the Photopea. As you can see, Photopea an online photo editor, which is photopea.com. So now here is our browser. So inside here, it will give you direct working space of the Photopea. So now before you can have it on your desktop and no need for you to always visit the browser before you can use it, there's some three dots here. As you can see, there's some, I already have it on my desktop, so it will tell me open in Photoshop. So there's something here. As you can see here, it says open in Photoshop. So if here is the only place that you can use to open the Photopea. So as you have your browser like this, it will then instruct you from here where the cursor is. Tap to open this link, choose an app. So here it, once I have already have it here, so if I don't have it here, to indicate installed from here. So once I will hit here, then it will install the app on my desktop. So guys, this is the procedure on how to get the Photopea on your desktop. And with this Photopea, and after you have the Photopea on your desktop, this, and you can see it will create a shortcut. It won't give you the full app, it will only give you the shortcut of the app because it cannot be downloaded. The Photoshop cannot be downloaded. It cannot be downloaded. So it's only give you a shortcut of the software from the website. So now that we can once you install it and you have it like this, you just only close your browser. Then you come back to here, you hit, then it will open it as the software it is, as we saw it in the side. So here is it. So once you have the installation on your desk, you have the shortcut on your desktop. That's how it's going to be like. So let's look into it and see how the interface is. So here you can see how when you're about to use it, that's how it is. So let's choose any size and go on. So here you can have it here. So this is it. So the Photopea, here is it. So it's only the simple. So the only thing you need to do is, one, you have your browser, then two, you type in www.photopea.com. then once it's open, you at the right corner of your browser, you see at the right corner of your browser, then you can see your at the right corner of your browser here, then you can see tap to open this link. In there you can find, if I haven't installed this Photoshop, then it will open for me. So now I've installed it. So here is the only procedure you can use to install your browser, install the Photopea on your desktop. Thank you very much. Here is Waziko once again. If this video has been a help to you, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for any video that will be uploaded. You will be the first person to receive it. Thank you. Waziko here. Bye.